The stolen Ethereum of the FTX hack are right now on the move, and the question is, will they be dumped now onto the open market and will dump the Ethereum price severely into the ground? And I will show you to what potential target we could go if you would dump all at once on the spot market. So, and this is today the most exciting story that we have, that the FTX account drainer is cashing out, and of course this will have further effects also potentially on the Bitcoin price. We also have to talk about that. So as you can see, I have prepared here a lot of content for you guys, so definitely stick around, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button and activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And now let's jump directly into the charts here. So first of all, I want to show you here on the Ethereum 4-hourly chart that we had already a first reaction to the news that the funds are moving. So we had here already a small move to the downside out of this bearish pennant or symmetrical triangle that we have here. So and now if we would treat this as a pennant, then the technical target will shock you guys. So because it's a new low, it would be at $732. The previous low was at $871. Now the question is it likely that we drop that low? So, and unfortunately, I have to say yes. And I want to show you in a second why I believe that. And for that, I have to go to the Ethereum address of the FTX account drainer. So here you can see they are holding still 200,000 Ethereum on that Ethereum address. They were on place 35 for I think until yesterday, so it just dropped today because they sent some of the Ethereum now away and converted it also already. So and when we are going now to the address of the account drainer, so here you can see the FTX account drainer, you see here in the last 6 hours are 4 transactions that went out alone on Ethereum. And these 4 transactions are totaling into 50,000 Ethereum, which is $50 to $60 million worth of Ethereum. So now I will come back to the Ethereum chart to explain you guys why that big amount matters for the price, because I have here the net volume oscillator that is showing us in dollars how much volume was used to move the price. So and when we go here from the last move, to the downside, where we had here a massive spike to the downside. So if we only look from here to here, we had a 33.5% downwards move from this sell pressure that came in exactly here, but they were only sold $3.05 million worth of Ethereum at the time. So which was approximately 3,000 Ethereum. So we are talking here about almost 20x the amount that is on the move right now. So if we compare that to this move, then we could potentially see Ethereum going even to $100 if he would drop, basically dump everything at once. So, but I guess that is quite a smart guy or a smart group of people that have drained this account, and they are not that stupid to open immediately everything on the open market, because then Ethereum is doing kind of like this. So which would be of course a nice opportunity, a once in a life opportunity to buy Ethereum under $500 or $600 even, because I don't think that we will ever see again these kind of prices. So that could be a once in a lifetime opportunity if we see that happening. But I don't believe that this will be the case, because they will also lose too much money by doing that. If I would be that hacker, I would slowly but steadily sell without creating a too big impact on the price. So I would be selling, let's say in 50 to 100 Ethereum blocks. That would be what I would be doing, and slow, like every 5-10 minutes one block. Of course it takes them quite a while. You sell over a day 1,000 2,000 Ethereum, so to get rid of 200,000 Ethereum takes at least 100 days, 3 months, but at least you have them clean out without impacting the price too much. And yeah, basically that's how I would do it. So clean was the wrong word here, definitely, because it's still not clean then, because you can still track it on the blockchain. But yeah, so if I would be doing that, I would be really smart about that and would be not dumping as fast as I can. But we don't know what's happening. If they just move it into a ledger, if they move it from where it is now to a platform to sell it. We don't know what they are doing with it in this exact moment, what they are thinking, what are their processes behind that, how they gonna basically clean these stolen funds. So, but other than that, we have here on the 4-hourly chart anyway right now downwards momentum of the stochastic RSI to the downside, and I think that we potentially not gonna hit the bearish target here of that pennant, but from that symmetrical triangle, if we measure it like this. So $988 sounds for me more of a possibility for the Ethereum price to go to than all the way to 700 if we don't see a massive sell-off of the FTX strainer. Then of course, then that is most likely even an understatement that we're gonna reach $700 if the X strainer is dumping his Ethereum that he is holding. And guys, don't forget, if you want to trade in this crazy volatile market, then don't forget, on BYBIT you still get $30,000 absolutely for free with my specific link here, and on BitGet also still $8,000 absolutely for free if you use my link in the description and in the pinned comment below. So now let's have a quick chat about Bitcoin, because also Bitcoin was reacting to that slightly, and we see that Bitcoin took also a small move here to the downside, but it's now here starting to go sideways. So it could be that this was just a fake out for Bitcoin, but that also depends on Ethereum, because if we have a massive dump in Ethereum, people will get scared and they will also start to sell off other assets besides Ethereum. So right now we have to consider the fact that we are out of this bearish pennant, and that we might go all the way to the target here of $40,470. I will be closely monitoring it. I have not opened a short just yet, because exactly the level from where we bounced off is the support level, 16,450-ish. So once we are breaking that, that will be a moment where I open a short position, but not before, because we could still bounce from here and then turn the other way to the upside, and for that reason I'm still cautiously waiting here to see what is happening with the Bitcoin price in particular. Another reason why I believe that we could here go lower than actually higher is the fact that we create here higher lows, but on the other hand we are creating lower highs. So, and that is of course not a bullish structure, and this could of course also put more downwards momentum on the Bitcoin price, as we have to follow the trend, and the trend is following the structure, and that is unfortunately bearish right now. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again tomorrow.